Former Reserve Bank of Zimbabwe (RBZ) Governor Gideon Gono has responded to allegations raised by ZANU-PF national spokesperson Christopher Mutsvangwa that a former central bank governor facilitated the theft of the country's gold by Arabs. Welcome back to Zim News Live YTS, where we give you latest updates about what's transpiring in Zimbabwe. Before we go any further, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel. During a press briefing in Harare on Monday, Mutsvangwa claimed that Zimbabwe's gold reserves were taken out of the country during the tenure of the late President Robert Mugabe, and the RBZ governor at the time, who he did not name, sought assistance from contacts in the Arab world who said they could provide US dollars. Gono refuted Mutsvangwa's assertions, labeling them as lies. He explained that Mutsvangwa was Zimbabwe's ambassador to China, and he was misinformed about what really happened during the country's financial crisis. In today's news, Gideon Gono responds to Christopher Mutsvangwa's lies over claims that Zimbabwe's gold reserves were stolen. Let us know what you think in the comment section down below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss any updates from our channel.